Hi there, I'm excited to walk you through the simple but powerful monthly calendar system using Google Sheets and Google Slides. Whether you're using this for your classroom, your team, or for your own planning, this calendar updates itself and keeps everything looking great. So let me show you how it works. Start by making a copy of both of the Google Sheet and the Google Slide, and you'll need both to make the system work. You'll find the link right here inside the instructions. Then press Make a Copy, go back and get a copy of the Google Slide, and press Make a Copy. Once you're inside the Google Sheet, go down to the Event menu. If you'd like, you can create your own custom drop-down menu for events. Just go to the Event menu tab, delete My Sample Events, and then type in the ones you use all the time. These will show up in the event column so you don't have to retype every month. Now you'll go back to Calendar Data, and right here in the Setup table you can use the drop-down menu to choose the number of the month, and then you can choose here for the year. The next thing you'll need is the Google Slide ID. Open up your Google Slide, and you'll find that ID right here between the D and Edit. So you'll not use the slash marks, you'll only use the characters between the D slash and the slash in Edit. So then you'll copy that, you'll go back to the Google Slide ID and paste. Now you can go and add your events into your calendar. When you click the drop down, you can see that your event that you already added is there, but you can also type in manually. Now it's time to add these events to our Google Slide calendar. The first time you run any of the options, Google will ask you to authorize a script. We're going to go to Calendar Tools and just click the first one, Update Calendar. It's going to ask for the authorization and press OK. You're going to choose your account, and then you're going to choose Advanced. Now you'll go down and choose Go to Calendar Auto Updater, Unsafe. Trust me, it's safe. All you have to do is click it because these are necessary for it to connect. Then you're going to select All and then press Continue. You'll only have to do this the very first time. Now that our script has been authorized, we're going to go to Calendar Tools and press Update Calendar. Click on your Google Slide. You can see that these changes have already been done on your calendar. If I go back, I can also add more events, and then press Update Calendar, and you will see that first day of school will update right there. When you're ready to start a new month, click Start New Month, and it will automatically save the current slide at the bottom of your deck, as you can see. Then reset Slide 1 so you can start fresh. You can do this by clearing Slide 1 events. If you would like to use other colors for your calendar, you can always click over here at Layout, and you can see there are other color options available. If you'd like to create your own, all you have to do is go to Slide, Edit Theme, pick one of these over here, and right-click and choose Duplicate Layout. Then you can rename this new layout, and you can start changing the colors of the border by clicking here and then using your paint bucket. You can also come to the table and you can highlight this table here, and you can also use the paint bucket to change the color there. And as you can see, now we can have a new layout that you just created. If you want to make your calendar extra fun or visually engaging, you can add images, stickers, or icons directly to your calendar slide. So when you're in this view where you're just clicking over here on the deck, go to the top and click Insert and then Image, and you can go to Stock and Web, or if you have things on your computer, you're able to do that too. You can even use the AI feature and generate an image, but you just click here and then you can go and choose different stickers. You can search for different things you'd like, and you can insert these things right here on your calendar. The one thing you do have to make sure you do is not to delete any text boxes, because all of the text boxes that are in here are extremely important and they are coded. So if you do delete something, just go back into your file and version history, and then you can be able to restore that to the last version that was working. And that's it. You now have a smart, reusable calendar system that you can use all year long. Thanks for checking it out, and I hope it helps you stay organized and work smarter, not harder.